Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Friday, March 27. The time is around 4 a.m. GMT. So today we'll be looking at the chart of the Nasdaq. This is a 30 minutes chart. Now you can see right here the decline to around 66.22. This low here ended with A as a 5 waves. You can see 4 and 5 here, so this is a 5 waves down ending with A. So that means currently we are in the with B rally. Okay, so by definition with B is correction, right? So this is a corrective rally, and we can see in the subdivision of the B is in the form of another ABC. So we know that this is a zigzag, so we got a um, which has a subdivision of 5 waves here, 1 2 3 in the black, 4 5, right? And then we got a B here. Then now we have already looking for the next leg higher in the C, and the C leg by definition zigzag should be subdivided into another 5 waves. We ended the first wave here with 1 of C, so looking for a wave 2 of C, followed by further upside as long as we can stay above 73 or 7300 here. Then we can see a little bit more upside. Okay, so overall then the correction remains in progress in the indices after the sell-off from the peak in February. Okay, now if I zoom out a little bit and look at the 4-hour chart, if we look at this February 20, this is the high in the indices. Now we can see the sell-off here, okay, after the fires, and this is the A here that we saw over here, right? This is the A here, ending this move as a 5 waves, right? And now we are in the B to correct this entire 5 waves decline, right? So we got the B in progress as another A, B, and then C. So uh, a possible target on the upside is going to be EBC 100%, of course, somewhere around here. This potentially can end our C, and then probably also our B from here, and then potentially from there we can go lower, right? Or at least pull back in 3 waves at least, if not going lower. All right, now you can also use the retracement from this peak just to double check this area here. Now you notice here we got also this area that a lot of people also watching, usually in the 50% retracement area. Now so this C leg therefore it needs to subdivide into 5 waves. We have not reached the 50%, which is this is also a technical level that a lot of people usually watching, 50%, right? So in case, just in case, if the rally fail to reach the 100%, then I would say, generally speaking, this is also an important area in which people are looking. When you have finished correcting 50%, potentially there is a potential from there also that we could start turning lower as well. So for example, this 5 waves in the C could be in the form of a diagonal, let's say, with maybe even some overlap, and then maybe fail, which is possible. It's not always have to reach the 100%, right? And then fail like this and then turns lower. So that's a possibility, definitely. But for now though, I think in the shorter cycle, as long as we can stay above 72.95 here, then we can have a chance to see extension higher within the C leg. And potential target again is going to be 84.26, but also be careful at the 50%, which is around 8,190. Okay, that's approximately the area. So if you do like this video, please do like and subscribe. And also we have 14 days free trial available, so I will put the link in the description of the video below. I'll see you all again next week. Have a nice day, everyone.